Hello my beloved friends, my name is Bogdan Curta and today we'll unbox together the Palmer Monitor controller, which it will allow us to connect multiple speakers and multiple sources. This device arrived directly from Telefon, Germany. I'm very curious, I wanted this device for maybe 2 years. I checked and rechecked. We have the manual. It's a very complex monitor controller. It's an active one. We'll have also on the future detailed presentation with sound test and with everything that is needed. So please subscribe to my channel and follow me also on Instagram and on Facebook, on TikTok. I think that here we have the power supply. Yes, it's the power supply, which is external, how we are able to see. I don't know if we have also a power cord. Yes, we have it here. So we have everything that is needed. There were people which they said that they don't like that it's an external power supply. This device is not made to be transported. Her use it in studio mainly, but of course you can use it also in live. It has the disadvantage that if you want to use it in live situations, you can lose this power adapter. It's the risk to forget it home, but also we must to consider the fact that being an external power supply, it will not introduce so many electrostatic noise in the system. Where we need the cleanest sound possible. We have the device on our table. It's massive, it's bigger than I thought. Maybe it will be better a smaller one for my space. Because trust me, it's bigger than it looks on the video. I saw also videos on YouTube before buying it. But for me the most important thing is the sound. Here we have the central knob for controlling the volume. We have also a talkback microphone here. We have here the controllers for every speaker. Every button, every switch is adjustable, and here on the back is written what commands to give to program all the device. We have also VU meters here. We have also 2 headphones jacks, which I didn't test them yet, but the people they are saying that they are very good, they are impressive. On the back of the device we have all the connectivity, including coaxial expedite, which is totally exceptional. We have here the power switch, the outputs and the inputs. You are able to connect multiple sources to this device. 2 channels stereo, 1 stereo coaxial, 1 stereo jack and 1 unbalanced on RCA. Plus multiple outputs. I'm seeing here 3 stereo outputs, each one with its gain here, adjustable with a screw for safety. 1 mono output for a subwoofer here, so this is the mono output, these are the stereo outputs. These are balanced and these are unbalanced outputs, so very interesting and complex configuration.